Hey friends, if you encounter this issue that there is no sound in the Windows video editor, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, first of all, check the original file. Like, let us assume this is the original file. Okay. Then check if there is sound in the original file or not. Because if there is no sound in the original file, then it won't work in the video editor either. After this, check the system volume by clicking on the system tray, and you can also click on the volume mixer and scroll down and check the volume here. After this, you can update the audio driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right click on the first one and select update drivers. Right click on the second one and select update drivers. After this is done, the next stage will be to run the audio troubleshooter. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the system tab, and then you can scroll down and select troubleshoot, and then select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. And after that, you can search for the video editor in the Windows search bar and then click on app settings in the right pane. Scroll down and then click on repair and then click on reset and reset once again. This should solve the issue. But if it doesn't, then the last option will be to reinstall it. So just click on uninstall and uninstall once again and let it uninstall. Then search for store in the Windows search bar and open Microsoft Store. Search for Clipchamp in the Windows search, in the search bar, and go to Microsoft Clipchamp and click on get and let it reinstall. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.